really some. I mean, they're winning, but it was a goalie mistake.
Take it easy, C's.
Cease. Just
They
accept
didn't really score
it.
one.
Just accept defeat, dude. You're losing your bet. I'm winning.
No, they're gonna win.
They haven't allowed a single goal. They're not allowing it. It's going to be 1-0.
But
to
you
86.
gotta know how the Champions League plays. They don't play anybody until these stages. Really, they play maybe one or two good teams at the most
You're thinking about it
until
too
it gets
much.
to the
Porto's
playoffs.
winning.
They scored on an error by a goalie.
Sounds like
Pretty bad
excuses
error.
to me.
Yeah, because it's not really a play. It's not really a play that they won on. They just took advantage of a mistake.
What's the
a
scoreboard
goalie
say
made.
though? Is it 1-0?
Yeah, it's also like 87 minutes left
No, I
too.
got you. What did the goalie score on himself?
He tried to kick it, and the guy blocked it, and it went back in the goal.
Oh God.
Like he was trying to kick it out to his teammates from the goalie side next to the net, and the other guy put his foot up, blocked it, and it rebounded
Did
into
his
the.
teammate block it or the other team?
No, the other Porto blocked it.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, the Juve guy goalie was trying to kick it out, and the Porto guy put his foot out, blocked it, and went into the net.
We just gapped up on the 5-minute again.
Is that in short pump, Huss? Dude, if you live in Richmond as a trader, you have to live in short pump. It's by law.
I'm shopping around for apartments right now. Yeah, it's in Short Pump.
Yeah, short pump's nice, dude.
The name of the town is Short Pump.
Yeah, it's called short pump, dude.
What the
I'm paid.
fuck?
Yeah, I'm telling you, you gotta live there as a trader.
Are you on stream?
Yeah, I'm
It
on
tell you
stream.
how much the odds bettors think about it. That the Porto is still not favorite, even after that, because it was an error goal. They're still not even regular money. They're still plus 110.
All I care about is scoreboard. We're talking all this shit. Doesn't even matter. Dude. The Jazz is gonna lose. I keep saying the Jazz. God damn it. Jazz is going to lose.
The Jazz.
Is the Jazz? Is that? I sound like an idiot saying that.
That's how it's referred. The Jazz.
I feel like I sound like a
there's a-
boomer, like talking about technology.
I think there's a trivia question of like name all the sports teams that don't end in an S.
The Heat.
Mucky, we have a little side. Well, not a side bet. We have a couple people betting on the Porto game. I'm betting on Porto. They're betting on the other team. I can't pronounce.
Good odds right now on Juve, 230.
Send this thing to the fucking moon.
I've got a parlay on Jazz winning 3.5 spread or covering a 3.5 spread, and then Porto winning plus 700 parlay. Definitely not hitting, but we'll see.
You never know, man. I hit that $5 parlay for plus 1,200 or something one time.
Oof.
ALM, what the fuck?
There's no big walls even in the way. You just need people to fucking step in and just bid it up, dude.
It just has no volume. Nobody sees this thing.
Fucking gem.
It is a fucking gem.
It really is. Look at that fucking chart. A couple more buyers step in and we're off to the races.
Yeah.
Kiff, my dude. What'd I tell you, Kif?
Yeah, if it's not betting, if it's a lock, dude, it's guaranteed money. Betting implies there's risk involved.
Sevilla's winning now 1-0.
You guys will see when Porto wins. I'll take over the sports betting channel.
Dosa Bill, you from Chicago?
My fucking Suns Lakers bet was about to win, and then a historic moment happened.
Yeah, if y'all would stop being poor and just mark it by this wall here, be perfect.
Hey, silver, red to green, holding support at 25. Cry BF. Oh, what's it at? Still consolidating. Doesn't look terrible. You don't want to see it below 40. If it gets below 40, I'll probably cut it. I gave up all my profit on CBBT. I have a 20% bag. I'm still holding. And it's getting murdered.
Oh, shit, that shit fucked up.
Man, I sold calls across my entire portfolio, my day trading portfolio, and all of them are up like 60-70%. It's insane.
Are you selling calls against your shares?
Yeah, covered calls.
Yeah, that's a really good. It's a really good play. If you have the capital to do it, selling calls is very profitable, especially
Like
in a market
everything.
like this.
Yeah, like Palantir, VGAC, like I fucking sold calls against everything.
Yeah. It's just a capital issue for most people. Because you have to have capital locked up in the shares and locked up in the buying power reduction of the sell side. I mean, if you zoom out, the volume that you're getting on ALM is starting to pick up a little bit. This is not picking up enough.
I'm such a degenerate. I got 2 soccer games going, and I'm trading, and I got Tasty Works up, and I got the charts up. What the hell is
Hey,
wrong
Chin,
with me?
appreciate it.
Buy ALLM for financial freedom,
Hypothetically speaking.
hypothetically.
This is not financial advice.
In your paper trading account.
That's what I did.
I've heard of some of those guys that are like on Twitter, like shilling all this
Oh,
stuff.
they're all
and
paper traders, dude.
that they
Yeah, literally like half of them.
really? Yeah, I've heard that some of them are paper trading.
Yeah, they're dog shit.
I mean, there's some guys who are, real serious, but yeah, the majority of them are full of shit.
They show their account on TD Ameritrade and they don't realize that the platform looks completely different when you're in paper trading mode.
Yeah, Massey Trades, who has like YouTube videos and shit.
Yeah.
She got she like posted this shit on fucking Insta, and got Insta found out.
What a fucking loser.
There was one platform I seen that like if you hover over something, it says your account number, and if it's like starts in like 2 of the letters or whatever, it lets you know that it's a paper trade account. And some guy like gave himself away. Someone's like, dude, if your account starts in like TX or whatever the fuck it was, he's like, that's a paper trade account.
Yeah, dude, it's hilarious because she was like telling people she was making like $8,000 a minute trading Tesla options.
Oh god.
What a fucking scumbag.
Dude, I know. It's like if you're gonna lie, like I mean,
Be good at it.
be good at exactly.
Cover yourself up.
EH looks decent. You're bouncing on the 50-day moving average. It's a little too high to buy the dip now. It's already up 54% from the lows. If you would have bought it on the 50-day, you would have bought the bottom. You're basically already hitting your target, which would have been that pivot at 77. The 21 EMA at 76. You get above those two levels, it could retrace, but that's a missed trade for the most part. You also have a pivot back here that you're bouncing off of, so a lot of support came in. You bounced off a pivot, and now you're coming back into another pivot, so you're kind of stuck between two levels. Yeah, Tesla, I don't know if Tesla's going to come back very quickly. It's definitely in the danger zone. APXT, nothing really to say about this one. It's just ranging.
Can we give the stream guys some alpha right now?
What is it, ALM?
Yeah, spell it out for them, nice and slow.
Yeah, APXT just distributing. You can see that if you take this high and then this high, or this low, topping out every single time it hits that high. Slightly bullish though, you're putting in higher lows.
You should get in, what's it called? The one that King called earlier.
You would have to get back above like 1550 to this for this to look bullish. For right now, you're probably just going back down. I mean, ALLM looks really good on the daily. The only downside is the volume. But like Jamie said, if you look at what day was that? February 4th? It had a really nice day with no volume, and then the next day exploded. Same thing before that, January 25th. Day before that had 0 volume, but it looked really bullish. Next day exploded. And then same day before earnings, no volume, exploded. If this thing closes bullish, you could hit some scanners tomorrow, break $1. F-Cell, let me see. I think all these EV companies are extended. You do have a buy signal. If it closes like this, opens up strong tomorrow, could be bullish. But you would have to close strong, open strong. Net, same thing. Looks decently bullish. You have a buy signal bouncing off the 50-day. You would have to close strong, open strong. Confirmation tomorrow. Go for a gap fill, maybe 91. $87 resistance.
Dude, there's absolutely nothing in the way on ALLM. QS looks really good, man.
ABBV.
There goes QS ripping.
Little rounded bottom on that.
Are you still
ABBV.
laser, Jamie?
Yeah, I'm still on it.
That's not bad.
Sorry, I'm at VGAC.
I
What'd
closed
you say?
that.
Sorry, I'm at VGAC.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
ABBV looks decent. You got a rounded bottom, double bottom. You would still have to get above like 108.
Funny that deep fucking value guy's getting sued.
Yeah, it's pretty
fucked
sad.
up.
They're all turning on him.
JMA, I'm up 8% since you called out QS.
Nice.
This could be a head and shoulders on ABBV. You break below like 101, 100, it's going to leak.
You're gonna catch some resistance here. You're at the anchored VWAP from the all-time high.
Probably wouldn't touch this until it broke the shoulder, or yeah, shoulder line. I do like the rounded bottom though.
Easy trade to like $76 if it could break this level here.
On QS.
Yeah, you got a gap too though, but
Oh, it's ripping.
The dailies with the green auto squeeze.
Yeah, it's breaking out of a range.
Yeah, look at the gap above the monthly VWAP. Pull back to retest the pivot.
Look at the low of today.
Ripped.
Literally
Yep.
pivot. Came all the way down to that pivot and then bounced.
Come on, Kraken.
This ALLM literally could go parabolic here if people seen this chart.
Yeah, if it goes on a scanner tomorrow and breaks 93 to $1, it's gonna rip. The problem is if you look at the month or the weekly chart on logarithmic, it's up 22,000%. If you took that weekly pivot at 003, so it's up pretty fucking. That's I mean it's 2 years. In 2 years, it's up 22,000%. Look at the monthly; it's like a perfect inverse head and shoulders on a logarithmic chart. Logarithmic is basically what you have to use for penny stocks because they fucking move so much.
There we go. Pump that shit, boys. Start pumping. There's nothing in the way. That's the thing. Like literally, one person could come and just fucking
Send it to $2.
yeah, dude.
The problem is you couldn't sell it at $2. It'd come all the way back down to $1. Oh shit.
There's literally nothing in the way in the order book. I mean, there's hidden orders somewhere, but someone could send this thing to the fucking moon if they wanted to. We just gap down on the 5-minute.
Son of a bitch. It's the spread, really.
Yeah.
But the spread's not as good as it was. Now it's fucking 81 and 85. They threw a bunch of orders in there, but they're not big. They're 2,000 each. It's
Exactly.
nothing. What they got? Fucking 7,000 to a $1.05. Fuck.
That is not the meme that I meant to post.
Fuck.
Deja,
What's up?
look at DPLS Dark Pulse. My brother was trying to get me to look at it.
There we go. Right back up.
Looks like dog shit. Too extended.
Palantir is not.
I wouldn't touch it till it gets back down to like 30 or 25.
Take a look at the blink chart, Deja.
Dog shit.
Oh, fuck Blink.
Actually, Blink looks a lot better now. It's bouncing off that pivot. We closed that for a gain, so I'm happy on that. Daily's not bad, though. It's bouncing off 50-day and a pivot.
And a doji.
Yeah, and a doji. It broke that massive trend, though. And every
Yeah.
time Blink tries to go higher, it doesn't. It, like, fails. So, it's probably a trap. To
Catching some
making
bids
it
here.
look real good.
Catching some bids here, Clueless.
I see him, dude. Fuck yeah! Please get me even.
Man, my accounts are bleeding today.
Please get me even today.
Yeah. Same here. Chip.
Palantir was doing great. Now
I'm not doing too bad. Sonasoft is back on the high day.
Yeah.
J May, look at Sunrun, man. That shit went up to $85, then literally just fucking tanked.
Dude, did you guys get in Kraken? This motherfucker's almost at 60.
I'm not in.
No, I didn't get in.
Pen actually just went red to
I'm up.
green.
Yeah, that
I'm
was
up
King's call.
18%.
He got a bunch of that shit.
Pen is bouncing off the 20-day, 21 EMA.
Of
EMA.
course I didn't get enough, but you know.
PNN, not Pinterest.
Man, I hope
Deja is
28.
for Sunrun. It looks like it's bouncing off the 50-day EMA. Would you consider entering here, or not until it regains that 79 or 80 or whatever?
Yeah, probably like 78. 79 would be better. It's got a nice little wick today, though. The momentum's still weak as hell. There's no signal to buy it here. Like, you're just knife catching. There's no setup besides the 50-day, I guess. Apps doesn't look too bad. Apps is all these charts that like were big names the past like few months. They're just so toppy right now. Like apps, fucking Pen, Neo, all the EVs, Blink, Sunrun, all of them.
Oh, I just saw that Litecoin broke that 4-hour pivot. It's gone straight up this morning.
Oh, Bitcoin's still ripping, dude. Let's go. I'm telling you, Bitcoin 54,000. We're almost there.
Jesus Christ, Litecoin's been doing nice.
Long and strong, baby.
Bitcoin's up fucking 7% this morning. That's awesome.
NIU has a buy signal on the daily. You're in a pretty big distribution. You would have to clear this distribution. But this would be a dip buy if you bought the dip. These are the watch out for losing the distribution. Buy low, sell high.
Look at ALLM 1 hour. It's trying to break that downtrend. I think that's why it's struggling.
Buy signal came in at 44. It's at 45.20 already, so decently bullish. Getting a little bit of a bounce. Not too bad.
Oh, they're pushing the fucking price down.
Wheat stocks are too extended. I wouldn't trade them. The move on wheat stocks were last week, week before. Wheat stocks are just momentum plays. You don't even really look at charts. As soon as they start getting picked up on Twitter and Reddit and all the fucking retail bros start talking about them, that's when you buy wheat stocks.
GRT has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buy signals in the past like 2-3 days, and it's about to break that pivot on the 4-hour.
GRT.
Yeah, the altcoin.
Oh, crypto GRT.
Yeah.
Palantir's about to lose 28.
I think care for USLT was right. I mean, until that lockup period's ending, there's no way this thing's gonna have a boom.
I mean, this is the low for today, but
It just put in a new low of the day on PLTR.
I think so. Let me look. It's right about it.
Yeah, it's just getting
Yeah, it
ripped.
is the low since open.
As long as it runs next week, man. I just want it below 29.
What?
TB, ALM should not be reckoned. You trades like that, like penny stock plays that have no volume, you guys should not be putting a lot of money into.
Define a lot.
If there's not enough money on the bid for you to get out, if you wanted to, without moving the price, you shouldn't be putting that much money into it.
What are you talking about? Then I could never buy any penny stocks.
Nah, that's not true. A lot of penny stocks have pretty good bids.
Hey, look at the PTTN chart. It looks like we're right back where we started, but look at the reversal or whatever you want to call it today.
Oh my god, fucking Palantir.
Oh, PTTN, yeah. I closed my bag on that. Like, nice little buy signal on the daily though. That thing is so fucking extended though. That was a what do they call them? Like it was the lowest you could possibly be. It was 1. It's like being 1 sat.
It's not even a set.
Dude, if PLTR comes back down to retest the downtrend, it's gonna crush people.
There's so many people in this play too.
Yep.
But I might not be good, but we'll find out. We might hold. Maybe after the market closes, it'll move.
Problem is that it broke support yesterday. It closed below support. Your next support's not until like 2630-ish, 2650.
Whatever, I'll buy more.
Hey, question: when you sell a covered call, when do you realize your gain? Do you realize it on that, like the Friday of the expiration date, or that following Monday?
You mean like when you close your call?
Like, yeah, like let's say you leave it alone, like you sell a covered call and it doesn't hit that price, and so it doesn't get executed, and you keep 100% of whatever.
Yeah, you just let it expire.
Yeah, when does that register in your account?
It should be the following day because it's 1 day to settle.
Okay.
But basically, it depends on how the broker does it. But like when you sell calls or sell anything, sell puts, you're collecting a credit. So like it's raising your buying power basically. It lowers your buying power effectively, like the buying power that you can use, but technically you are receiving that money. You're receiving a credit. But like once the contract is closed out, all the options take 24 hours to settle. So it should be settled the next day.
Got it. Yeah, the way this shows in my account right now is really weird. It's like it almost shows like I'm negative money.
Yeah, it's a credit. So you receive the max profit the second you take the trade.
I wish I would have known about this 5 years ago.
Yeah, it's very good for making small income steadily.
Up 20% on the Kraken.
Hey, Maverick. What's that ticker again? The fucking ticker's dog shit.
KRKNF.
Jesus Christ. That thing's getting a lot of volume, yeah.
It's slow and steady, but up.
Badger? Is that you mean like the crypto?
Oh boy. Yeah, Walmart. Interesting.
Badger
You're
looks like a
breaking out.
massive head and shoulders. It's on a 1 hour pivot though. If it holds above 59, it's not terrible.
Sup, guys?
Going on.
And girls.
GAXY topped out already. You hit a pivot and then failed it. 8.3 cents. But Walmart has earnings, don't they? They're ripping pre-earnings.
Yes. Tomorrow.
I need Walmart and
No,
Procter and
today.
Gamble
That was
to have good earnings, and my XLP will do really well. Didn't Procter and Gamble already have earnings? Yeah, they did. They had bad earnings. I need them to recover.
Hey, look at ANTE. This climbers look like a long ass bulldog.
Yeah, I think it's way too extended for me. Fucking thing doubled in the past 2 days, 3 days. Dude, FMAC refuses to stay above $12. It's fucking ridiculous. These SPACs are dog shit. They pump and then dump.
Yeah, you're gonna need some sort of news or rumor on FMAC.
Didn't they have that Discord one? Is that rumor just dead?
Well, I mean, you need something else besides that.
It's like you gotta find the fucking keys for the goddamn treasure.
Yeah, dude, it's ridiculous. Should have sold it aftermarket when that fucking news came out. It's so irritating that came out, like, it started pumping right before the bell.
And they fucking froze it too. That was such a fucking scam.
Yeah, and they halted it. Stupid. Pretty stupid.
Deja, one more question for you. So, like, let's say that I have a bunch of Sunrun, right? And let's say like I'm okay selling it at $100 per share. Then, but like I don't care when it hits. Then am I good to just keep on buying keep on selling the $100 calls and collecting premium? And then if it goes, it goes. And I guess I still get paid my $100 per share, but I just
Yeah, so if you get assigned, you'll just have to give them your shares at $100, basically.
So the only real downside here is if it like rockets past that.
Yeah.
Tesla, hi there. Mara's getting tight on the 15-minute. Bullish pennant.
Yeah, Bitcoin's running. All the crypto stocks should be doing well.
I'm practically in every fucking crypto play.
Exactly what I said. Rising wedge. But rising wedges are bullish on crypto. Rising wedge broke out, retested it, now we're breaking out again.
What's breaking out?
Bitcoin.
Dude, Walmart is on fire.
Yeah, they have earnings.
Jesus.
Yeah, I'm still holding VEG. Doge is a meme coin. You just trade that based on Twitter mentions, basically. There's no need to even look at a chart on Doge. Same thing with like GameStop and all those other meme stocks. You basically just follow the
Look at Beam.
follow the
This
Twitter.
morning, guys. We're talking about Beam this morning. Take a look at it.
Doge is going to keep selling off until you get another tweet from Elon or some other guy. Yeah, Beam's got a buy signal on the daily.
Yeah,
Beam
while we're
looks
looking
really
at that,
good.
look at Fate, FAT. They literally identical charts, bro.
Fate?
Yeah, FAT. FATE.
Yeah, they're pretty close. Buy signal on that too.
Yeah, Kathy Woods owns both of them, and she's been buying them like every single day.
I like Beam a lot.
BTT. I'm over here buying go-go dips.
That should be the gap fill on SPY. Yeah, there you go. SPY filled the gap. Q's, not yet. Coming up pretty soon. What time is it? 20 minutes left? Yeah, you probably won't do that before the end of the day. You should see that by tomorrow. Who's winning our soccer match?
Everything's a bulldog.
The Bears.
What? Porto's still winning? Nice. How much longer?
Couple hours.
That's how fucking long the soccer matches are, dude.
Bro, Ebon
I'm
is
just
fucking
messing with
ripping.
you.
Holy shit.
Can 15-minute bulldog.
Porto's the favorite now.
Glue's has another 15.
They also have like 30% of the possession. They're losing the possession game.
Johnny, why did Glue gap up like fucking 7 million%?
Dude,
because they got bought out by EA.
we're all talking shit. They're gonna fucking tie and we're all gonna lose.
Yep. That's 100% what's going to happen.
We fucking counter traded each
Probably.
other, so they're gonna tie now. You guys fucked me.
You fucked me.
That's true, I did fuck you guys. You guys did take the bet first. What's even funnier is if they tie, we lose our parlays too. Holy shit.
Yep. Use it. We
We
all lose.
It's literally a roulette table where they get that little scooper out, they scoop all the fucking chips into their hole.
Hate that thing.
We're getting fucking broomed in. JMA, it's so funny sitting at a roulette table seeing them rake that shit in. Like literally, they do not lose a single dollar on a single spin on roulette.
Hate it.
They just rake that shit into the hole.
Bruh, Riot is fucking disgusting. It's about to hit $80.
Yeah, I can't believe that, Johnny.
What?
I can't believe it.
Mar.
Yo, we have to be getting towards the top, bro. Look at that shit.
54,000.
Parabolic. Up every single day. That's fucking nuts.
Everybody just say fuck the stock market if they're gonna halt shit every 2 seconds.
Yeah, it's all go to sports betting, dude. OTG Sports. Oh, it can't be OTG. Wait, we're gonna think of a new name. Solo daily doesn't look bad. You got a VWAP 50-day moving average, but you've already failed 2 buy signals, so it's looking pretty bearish. This is another one of the meme stocks. They're all rolling over. All the EV stocks that got pumped the past month or two are just losing buyers. Nobody wants to buy them anymore. The fun is over.
Johnny, what do you think about that? He only comes in when Tesla has a high day.
High day.
What happened? Y'all bought the dip?
We bought all the dips.
Buy the fucking.
They just saying EV days are over.
I didn't say they're over. I said they look toppy right now.
Nah. Neil got earnings on March 3rd.
That's like 3 weeks away.
Yeah, that's a long
I think
time.
get wrecked in this ALLM.
Hey, that's 3 weeks of maybe we could get stimulus passed.
Damn, look at this one. WDDD. Bouncing off the 21, getting a buy signal. Look at all the buy signals it gave you back in like October, November, December. Literally every single fucking candle is a buy signal. And then it went on a tear. Getting pump and dump now.
What's GoGo do, Johnny?
In-flight Wi-Fi.
You said Neil, what?
In plane?
Yeah, they make the in-flight Wi-Fi systems.
Okay. They report earnings on the 11th of March.
It's probably running along with the other airline stocks.
It's pulling back today.
AG's climbing. First Majestic silver.
Yeah, silver's up. It's red to green. Not looking too bad today.
I can't buy silver for fucking shit. It disappears while it's in the cart. That should be bullish.
All my pennies are recovering. Disgusting pivot bounce on CVS. Love to see it.
Last hour fucking killed me today. Damn. Usually it's not like that.
I took it in the ass kind of hard today on a couple things, but I got a lot of things that I'm going to hold long term.
And I'm demonetized, thanks.
Yeah, it all kind of shifted there this last like 30 minutes. Shit.
Like that fucking what the fuck is it? The thing I aped into this morning. I'm planning on holding that for a while.
Became an investor.
Tiger.
Yeah, it's coming back a little bit. If not for fucking what do you call it? I'd be really fucking screwed.
I'm out of buying power for the day till some things settle. I was going to buy. I was going to add on right about at this level or lower. So I probably will tomorrow if it's not up.
What, Tiger?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking about holding that.
Yeah, I think it might be a good hole.
Yeah, bro. Hold that shit until it's at $80 and then sell it. It'll be the easiest double of your life, and then you'll fucking be very happy.
Yeah, there's a lot of really smart people talking about Tiger.
What do they do?
It's like the Robin Hood of China.
Fintech.
Fintech and stuff with China. They do stocks too.
It's a broker, yeah. But it's not just China. It's like Israel, like all over, basically everywhere but the US.
The hourly just keeps ticking the OTS trail.
It was weird. I saw that thing pulling back a little bit this morning. I was like, oh, I'm going to buy the pullback. And then it started ripping. I was like, oh, fuck, I better get back in before it has another day like yesterday. And then, boom, the fucking bottom dropped out. I got ass fucked. Just in case you're getting monetized, Deja.
Johnny's the best, man.
He
Fucking
always
guy's
comes
so
in, dude,
funny.
with those fucking out of nowhere, dude.
I don't think I have any chance of being monetized, Johnny. I think
gangbang.
you're all right.
Out of
Oh,
nowhere,
shit.
dude.
I think ANTE wants $7.
Fucking Stunk Trump is back in the AMC. The man who called the bottom of AMC before it even pumped. He's calling another
Oh,
double
God.
bottom on AMC.
Son of a bitch. 50 minutes just came in, green candle.
Fucking bent over.
Keep an eye on AMC.
All the AMC bros are in Bitcoin now.
That's true. It's a
they're
15-minute
smart.
bulldog if it pops here. Yeah, look at him. Look at him. He just said it. He posted it.
Tesla, hi there.
Nice looking chart, Stonk.
Johnny, aren't you happy that you switched from being a Boeing scanner to a Tesla scanner? Isn't it a lot more profitable?
Yeah, bro. Boeing was, but hey, Boeing's doing something right now.
Yeah,
though.
the Jets are not looking too bad.
Jesus, this was a bad Palantir flow.
When will we ever see Boeing at 300 again? That's my question.
10 years probably.
When the dollar
Oh,
is
fuck.
as much as it is now.
2024.
Oh shit! What the fuck happened to PLTR? What the fuck? I look
Went
back
to
at
shit, dude. Just fucked my whole day up.
that shit just dove. I looked at it. I'm like, why am I down a lot?
Got that nice bounce, and then I don't know. little
I
double
still
top.
haven't traded this thing a single time.
What, Palantir?
Yeah.
You're missing
Bro,
out, motherfucker. It's
PLTR
fun.
Yeah, but the last time I traded it too.
It'll get
It's
your
just
heart
like
rate
a
going.
Dude, it's been one of the hottest stocks in our Discord, and I still haven't touched it a single time.
Bro, it's one of those that it'll fuck with your emotions because like next day it would just fucking skyrocket.
I called this thing out at $10. I gave you guys a target of what, like fucking 18 or something. It hit that, and then it just fucking kept going and didn't stop. Put in a big bulldog and then ripped. Yeah, it's pretty bearish right now.
Yeah, it's coming down to 26.5 minimum.
It's gonna go back to IPO price.
What a nasty fucking sell-off.
It
1,
was
2,
looking good,
3,
too.
4, 5 days.
Of straight down. It's gonna go back to the previous month's VWAP. This is what I always tell you guys about equities using the monthly VWAP. When you lose that monthly VWAP, it's really bad news. It lost the
5
monthly
days in a
VWAP
row.
at 31 and then just leaked. If it doesn't bounce off 26, you're going back down to 20. It is a good company though, so like it should be getting
Dang.
bought at some point.
Fucking Kathy's buying it.
Yeah, even Kathy's getting reamed right now.
That's
Those
fucked
20.
up.
Oh, I'm getting murdered today. Fuck.
Damn, Innox is coming down a bit.
Everything just shifted on me.
I'm not doing too bad. My
What do you
VIX,
think,
my
Dave?
VIX would be super fucking green if it priced
You
in.
think CCIV is gonna keep going, or
Yeah,
it's
I
got
don't
to come
understand
down,
your
right?
VIX. That doesn't
CCIV
make
is
any
going to
sense.
100. Triple digits, dude. What is the current valuation of CCIV?
QuantumScape.
12 billion or some shit.
That's what they're getting bought out for, but what is it currently going for? Like, what's their current market cap?
QS ripping.
QuantumScape. It's way above
Their
that.
current market cap is
all-time
15
view.
billion. They're merging for 12 billion, so they're already overpriced by 3 billion.
Well, you have to understand too that shareholders of CCIV only get 13% stake in Lucid, so it's overvalued by about fucking 60 billion. They're not buying the whole company of Lucid. They're only buying a small percentage of
I
it.
gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, so in reality, the fucking valuation of Lucid right now is like 80 billion, somewhere around there.
Deja, I don't know. You were at lunch. SOS had a fucking $5 offering today, and they never went below $9. They got halted. They're back
Oh
up.
yeah, I got wrecked. Jesus.
ALLM is getting demolished right now.
Yeah, it's not good.
It says this is what happens to pennies when they have no buyers. They just leak.
Yep. Now we're bag holders, boys.
Yeah, but it could be tomorrow's the big day. If tomorrow has a strong opening, it's going to fucking rip.
Yo, look at
Somebody needs to
Target.
get Kathy on the phone.
Candle.
What did Target do?
It went up
Oh yeah,
from,
nice. Yeah.
Running with Walmart.
It bounced right off the VWAP. I think my XLP sector is going to start moving soon.
And people are selling CCIV into the close.
And they're buying Tesla.
Taking some of those gains.
Tesla is looking pretty good. Piercing candle, bounced off the gap fill, bounced off the 50-day moving average. It's not looking bad. Today's the best day in Tesla in 2 weeks. Amazon looks strong today too. I guess getting sued is good for your business. Look at B-Mix. We've been watching that one for a while. Look at that fucking thing today.
Oof,
Up
same time chart,
14%
man.
with a daily buy signal.
Pull back to the 20.
That's fucking clean. Wish I would have caught that earlier. Yeah, look at it around 11 o'clock when it bottomed. Complete engulfing. B-Mix's only issue is it's already up like 20,000%.
Yeah, VGAC coming up off the lows. Holding the 20, looking to hold the 20, looking to hold.
I closed that
pivot.
fucking thing. Damn it. It was leaking this morning. Yeah, it's got a buy signal now. Nice 15-minute close on that thing.
I'm going to RPM tomorrow night.
I'm going to fuck, I keep forgetting. Del Frisco's. I'm going to Del Frisco's today.
Today?
Yeah. It's Valentine's dinner. I tried to book Valentine's, but they were fucking packed.
Same.
I said fuck it and just said Wednesday. I was an asshole and I waited till like fucking the day before. Try to book the #1 steakhouse in the area day before Valentine's Day. You're not getting it.
As long as VGAC holds 14, I'm okay with that.
With closed by Tesla.
1 minute, boys. Button them up. Button them up.
Shit, if it wasn't for Palantir,
Dude, still still going
I'd have
down.
a decent day. Yeah, Palantir looks like shit.
Yeah, dog shit stock.
It was looking nice earlier, man. It looked like it was gonna have that nice recovery and everything.
That's why we don't talk about that piece of shit
Yeah,
stock in here
exactly.
anymore.
Told you guys.
You don't talk
Fucking
about it.
I'm telling you, Palantir's fucked me over so many times. I don't know why I fell for it again.
I've never traded that.
Now I'm
fucking
holding this
stock.
shit forever. Until I get even.
Are any of you guys positive on that fucking stock?
Yeah, I made a fuckload of money on that piece of shit.
I was from 10 to 20, and then every other time it's bent me over.
Yeah.
That was my biggest gainer last year. Single traded stock.
And that's the bell, boys.
Here's the bill.
Nasty day.
Fucking ruined my day.
Fucking hookers, man.
Kathy's a lot lizard.
Kathy's getting gangbanged too.
Yeah. Fancy
Johnny's
hooker.
got her in the back of the truck.
All right. I'm gonna get banned. You guys keep going.
The back of the truck. How
The
big of a
Mack
bed you
truck.
got back there, Johnny?
Big enough for Kathy.
You got the king size back there?
Bruh. She's fire.
The ALLM books were like non-existent. There was just no buyers.
Yep. One person could have came in and just sent this
Yeah,
thing to fucking
sent
$20.
that motherfucker with ease, and we could have come in behind it and put in support.
Yep.
Although some motherfuckers would have sold into us, and it would have sucked.
Yeah, we'll see how it
Yeah,
goes
maybe
tomorrow.
in the morning we'll get a pump. I hope.
If it doesn't
Doji.
start pumping in the first 30 minutes, I'd probably close it.
Yeah, that'll be really difficult.
On a trend line on the 20-day Doji. But it is a penny stock, so
Penny stocks, all that matters is volume.
we always had that small little volume before those big spikes.
No, for sure.
And each spike is fucking bigger. See that? So maybe this fourth one is even bigger.
Good looking candle. Next day, get some volume, send it up.
We'll see what happens, boys.
Closing the day slightly red on both. No, actually, my main's green, red on penny account. Most of my gains on my main are from VIX. Would be fucking way more if it priced in.
Nice clothes on Baba.
ES actually looks really bullish. Probably have a green day tomorrow.
Tiger came back pretty nice, actually.
SPY and Qs look pretty strong.
Oh,
And it's
wow. We
cracking the shit
retraced all the
real well.
sell-off.
Yeah, SPY and Qs definitely should be green tomorrow. We'll see.
Damn, you guys seen INO?
Wow.
What did INO do?
It retraced the whole sell-off.
Went straight the fuck up.
Listen, does Walmart have earnings right now or tomorrow?
Yeah, you know it's crazy, Johnny? I think it's tonight, Deja. You know what's crazy as fuck, Johnny, is there was a $1 million buyer for 3 separate strikes on INO for February 19th, 2 days from now. He bought $1 million in calls, 3 separate strikes, same date, and now one of them's in the money. And this was when it was at like fucking $13, and it was melting down, and everyone was afraid to get in.
Yeah,
That's
it's
fucking
ripping.
crazy. I should have bought that shit, dude.
Yeah,
I knew when I saw those.
I think we need to start playing some medicine stocks again. And like, you know, it used to be fun playing like Novaks and like what was
Myrna.
the other one? Myrna. Fucking. Oh, we was making crazy. When bro, that shit was crazy when it was first like at like
We made the
$50.
most money on INO, I think. I think INO was our biggest one.
Fucking Kodak.
God damn it.
What's going on?
Fuck. Look, Porto just scored.
Let's go!
On the look at VIX. VIX is going straight fucking down. That's great.
Well, I guess I'll win my hedge, but I won't win nearly as much as I would have.
The fuck did I miss this past 2 weeks? Deja's a degenerate gambler now.
Sports better. I'm in charge of the sports betting channel. I'm the king of making parlays and hitting every single one except for one leg and losing.
That's usually how it goes.
Yeah.
Every gambler goes through a stretch where they think that like if they put in like 3 or 4 weeks of like effort, they could be like the greatest of all time. So I think you're right in the middle of that right now.
No, I don't think I'm anywhere near that yet. When I start depositing more money, that's when I get there.
I may have to get another leap for Apple. Is that 130?
Porto is minus 550 now.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to score 3.
They haven't let a single goal. Smoochie.
Oh, they're gonna score one before this is over.
Smoochie, I appreciate you telling me that
not
stat.
3.
No, he's not in here. Don't worry, I'll win the fucking hard bet. Porto will win and Jazz will lose. Every single one of my parlays, I fucking lose because of one leg.
Good thing I hedged.
Dude, if this bet hits, I'm gonna be sick. Oh, yeah. You like that shit, Kiff? Yeah, I told my buddy when I went to lunch that I put that bet up. And he was like, how do you pronounce the other team's name?
Juventus?
Juventus, yeah. He was like, you know they have Ronaldo, right? He's like one of the best soccer players in the world. And I was like, no, I didn't know that. That's why I just bet. I don't give a fuck about any of the players.
There's a lot of good. I don't know why they didn't. They probably thought it was gonna be an easy match, and they didn't put their best players. Cuadrado's not there. Dybala's not there. They got some players out of their normal position.
Kiff, I don't know dick about... Dude, I was telling him at lunch, I'm literally living like 3 to 4 years in the past on the NBA. Like all these players, I recognize who they are, but I think they're on different teams. Because I haven't been following the NBA for like 4 years. Like when you guys told me Durant was on fucking... What's he on, the Nets now? And then you have Harden on fucking... who's Harden on? Harden's on... No, Harden's on the Nets. Durant's on... Who's Durant play for? He was just in one of the games that I was betting on. Oh, they're both on the Nets. Is there any UFC this weekend?
I don't know.
Yeah, Curtis Blades and some other fucking dude. Something Rosenstruck.
Oh,
Shit.
isn't
Oh, it's fucking Derek Lewis. Curtis
yeah.
Blades and Derek Lewis, yeah. I think that's an easy W for Curtis Blades. I would put all my cash on fucking Curtis Blades.
Bro, I'm gonna be so tilted if Jazz loses. It's always the easy part of your the parlay that loses. Like the Suns last night. The fucking Lakers covered 7.5. Literally, they got 8 points and they covered perfectly. And the Suns fucking lose. The easy part of my parlay.
Every time anybody mentions the Suns, I can't help but think about that chick who gave that interview and then got disowned by her family.
Why? What happened?
She let me see if I can find the the link, but she said like on like an interview she had like relations with like 7 Suns players like in a row.
Oh god.
And she like got disowned and fired as a result.
Oh, you're talking about that thought. Fucking no jumper.
Yes, that's exactly it. Yeah.
Yeah, that bitch is busted, dude. I can't believe they wanted to fuck her.
She said that on a live interview?
Yeah, you know who Selena Powell is?
No.
So she's like notorious for fucking setting rappers up and shit. Like she set Snoop Dogg up, fucked him, then exposed him, set all kinds of rappers up and shit. And she's like one of her friends. And she went on there and like aired it out about how she fucked like 7 Suns players in one night. And then she got fired from her job and shit. And the funniest part is she worked for her family. And they're like, oh, you fucking trash ass hoe.
She got fired. She got fired and disowned because it's her family in both cases.
Oh god. All right, let me turn the stream off. I'm gonna get in trouble. All right, guys. Appreciate you being here on stream. I'm gonna be streaming again tomorrow, same time as always, 3 p.m. Eastern. Make sure to like the video if you guys like the stream. And yeah, guys in Discord, I'm gonna be out at dinner for pretty late tonight, so I probably won't be posting the analysis until like 11:30. So be on the lookout for that.
Get drunk, Deja.
I'm not getting drunk. I'm probably driving.
Get fucking hammered and post some crazy Johnny charts.
Yeah.
I'll post all my analysis using my iPhone. Yeah.
That'd be fresh.
But yeah, I'll post analysis late tonight, probably like 11:30, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning as always. Peace out, guys.